Frustrated with the distance limitations of Cat5e and UTP infrastructure? Altronics lets you go the distance with PACE long-range Ethernet adapters. They're a cost-efficient and simple way to take IP cameras and edge devices to new lengths. You can reach distances of up to 150 meters with single twisted pair, 50% beyond standard Ethernet range, or go as far as 500 meters over structured cable without repeaters. That's 5 times the distance you typically get with Ethernet cabling. PACE delivers full duplex data transmission at a speedy 100 megabits per second. PACE is also PoE and PoE Plus compliant and supports high PoE. PACE is available in single and multi-port models for indoor and outdoor applications. So whether you need to locate video surveillance or access devices a long way with Ethernet, or upgrade to IP over UTP infrastructure, PACE lets you go the distance. PACE long-range Ethernet adapters, backed by a lifetime warranty from the company that delivers more than just power, Altronics.